Hey everyone, welcome back to Garnock Reviews, and today we're checking out another boat that was at the Suncoast Boat Show earlier this year. This time we're stepping on board a 2024 Formula 387 CCS. CCS stands for Centre Console Sport. This is a luxury centre console that's got weekend accommodation. Including the bathing platform and also the outboards, you're looking at a length overall of around 42 feet 8 inches. She's got a maximum beam of 12 feet. I love how easy it is to board on here from the pontoon, but this would also be an easy way to get in from the water and also a great way to land larger catch too. We've got that retractable canopy cover overhead, giving us plenty of shade and protection. You've got rod holders throughout. You've also got these pop-out bolster seats on the transom. And then in the port quarter, we've actually got an electric grill here. Imagine landing your catch straight onto the boat and then putting it straight onto the grill. You can't get much fresher than that. You got stereo speakers throughout. Notice the boarding ladders underneath here. Then you got a combination between a perfect bait station and also grilling station. There's refrigeration here, there's water here, storage. As I make my way around, notice the rod holders underneath in the gunnels. There's plenty of storage on the deck. Most of this is fish boxes, it's insulated and self-draining. You got a very impressive hill position. This one's got triple seats. They're all independent with the bolster effect and also armrests, so you can sit up or stand down, whichever makes you most comfortable. State-of-the-art electronics was included. This includes air conditioning at the helm. You've also got the wireless cell phone charger, your multifunction displays. This one's joystick controlled. You've got more electronics up overhead, but you've also got that screen in between, and that'll give you a great windbreak for whenever this one's out at sea. I like the fact that for the central window you can totally open that up, and that way you can have the wind come in if you prefer. Now this one was powered by the twin Mercury Verado 600 horse. You should expect a top speed close on 60 miles per hour, but the cruising speed, the most economical option, was 43 miles per hour at 5,000 RPM, and that gives you a range of around 236 miles. And this one does have weekend accommodation in the console itself. This is fully air conditioned. As you step in, you'll see we've got refrigeration straight in front of you. There's also a little sink here as well. And then you can see on the counter we've got the different pricing options. For the platinum package, you're looking at 1.3 million. And I'll leave a link to Formula's website on the description itself. But we do have a saloon area. It's got a TV in the bulkhead, but as you can see, this also converts into a double berth. Plenty of refrigeration for your drinks and snacks. There's also an ice box in there too. And whether you're using this as a day boat or for weekend cruising, you'll appreciate having a fully enclosed heads compartment. And as you'll notice, there's good headroom in here. You've got the toilet, you've got the sink. I'm 6'2" and I've got no issue standing in here, and this one does have the shower compartment too. The standard specs, they have 350 gallons of fuel with 25 gallons for the diesel generator, 55 gallon water capacity and 25 gallon holding tank capacity. And as I make my way to the bow, I love how many handholds there are. I always feel safe and secure walking around this boat. Plenty of drinks holders, rod holders and speakers. There's a big sun pad right in front of the console. And then there's obviously spacious seating on the bow itself. That seating's got storage underneath. And then on the bow itself we have got an electric windlass. That can be operated from up here, but it can also be operated back at the helm. And as I pan the camera around, you get an impression of just how wide that beam is. This is a very fast and stable boat. It's got a long list of options that you can spec out, and that includes the ability to install a Seakeeper 3 gyro stabilization system, as well as the forward-looking infrared cameras too. And as you can see, there's plenty of storage underneath that sun pad, including the ability to have cockpit table, seat covers, and then we even have the stereo controls right at the bow. This is all connected to your Bluetooth, so you can run off your cell phone. And again, wide decks as ahead aft, leading back to the transom. I think this could be a very fast, fun, family-friendly boat. You can enjoy it for cruising, for fishing, for diving, or a combination of the above. But as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments. If you can leave a comment down below. If you haven't done so already, if you can hit that like and subscribe button, it really does make a difference. And I look forward to catching you on the next one. Thanks everyone.